In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the display language on your Google Ads account. This feature is especially useful if you prefer working in a different language or want your interface to match your regional settings. The steps are simple, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the language options and how to update them. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Ads website. You can get there by typing ads.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around. If you're new to the platform, before you can make any changes, you'll need to sign in. So click the sign in button located in the top corner of the screen. Enter your Google account credentials and you'll be redirected straight into your ads dashboard. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads home interface. This is where you manage your campaigns, settings, and tools. For this tutorial, our focus is on your account settings, so you'll need to access the admin area. Look at the left side menu and find the option labeled admin. Click it to open the section containing your account-wide controls. Inside the admin area, look for a link called Preferences. This is where Google Ads stores many of your general account settings, including language and number format. Click on Preferences and you'll see a series of options that allow you to customize how your account appears. Among these options, find the section labeled Display Language and Number Format. Selecting this option will take you to a dedicated page where you can modify how the Google Ads interface displays text, menus, and numerical data. This can be helpful if you work in a specific language or follow a regional number format such as commas versus periods. Once inside the display language settings, you'll see a drop-down list containing all the available languages supported by Google Ads. Click on the drop-down menu, scroll through, and choose the language you want to use. After selecting your preferred language, the change will apply immediately. If the interface doesn't update right away, simply refresh the page and your new language should appear. And that's all it takes to change the display language in your Google Ads account. Understanding these settings not only makes your workflow easier, but also helps you manage your campaigns more comfortably and efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions you may have. I'll be happy to help, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.